At number 1, we have the WD-40 Specialist Engine Degreaser. Engineered for the toughest jobs, this industrial-strength solution tackles heavy grease, oil, and grime on engines, gears, and machinery. Its fast-acting solvent formula works on contact, breaking down buildup and freeing stuck nuts, bolts, and chains.
At number 2, we have the Kraken Bond Engine Degreaser, the ultimate 3-in-1 solution to make your engine look like new. It powerfully removes oil and grime, is safe on all surfaces, and works quick and effectively. Just cool the engine, shake well, spray, wait for it to dissolve, and wipe clean. It's that simple. Perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even heavy machinery. One cleaner for all your needs. Important safety note. Always ensure the engine is cool before application. Kraken Bond Engine Cleaner. Get that deep cut degreasing for peak performance today. At number 3, we have the Chemical Guys Engine Degreaser. But it's so much more. This is Signature Series Orange Degreaser, the multi-purpose power player. It dissolves and emulsifies your heaviest grime from engine bays to undercarriages. The process is simple. Just spray it on. Let the high-foaming citrus-based formula do the work, then simply rinse it off. Use it full strength for tough jobs or dilute it for everyday cleaning. A little goes a long way. Experience that refreshing citrus scent and the incredible results on any vehicle. Chemical Guys Orange Degreaser. Clean smarter, not harder. At number 4, we have the 3D Engine Degreaser. 3D Grand Blast is a powerful, fast-acting, heavy-duty solution built for serious cleaning where standard products fall short. It quickly dissolves caked-on grease, oil, and grime with minimal scrubbing. Safe on metal, plastic, paint, and rubber. Non-staining, low odor, and biodegradable. Professionals love its efficiency and ability to deliver a deep clean without damage. The standout choice for high contamination areas. 3D Grand Blast.
At number 5, we have the Sonax Engine Degreaser. Is your engine looking like this? This controlled yet powerful degreaser restores engines to near-new condition by removing stubborn oil, grease, and dirt. Its excellent penetration reaches tight areas, and the process is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Spray on, agitate if needed, and spray off. The results speak for themselves. But it's not just powerful, it's also safe. Its phosphate and solvent-free formula is safe on metal, plastic, and rubber surfaces, making it ideal for any engine. For dependable deep cleaning performance, Sonax Engine Cleaner is the pro and DIYer's top choice.